Hi, I am Mark. In this video, I will present a new NP Power BI report for retail. The report comprises 10 thematic units that cover the most important business segments, such as stocks, customers, vendors, salespersons, stores, and items observed through sales, costs, and profit. Once you have accessed the report, you can see the main page with shortcuts to different sections of the report. You can also access them from anywhere in the report using the Pages section to the left. You can find globally placed filters on the right side of the main section. In this report, filters are available on the report level and visual level. 4 pages grouped within Stocks Flow are designed as a tool for monitoring inventories. Stock flow per quantity, stock flow per amount, movement per location, and stock flow per vendor. This report provides you with the ability to track sales, purchases, and other transactions within a specific time frame. It gives an overview of starting and remaining stocks categorized by vendors, item categories, and individual items. By utilizing this report, you can easily identify which items are selling quickly and distinguish them from those that are not performing as well. On the Sales by Items page, you can see which items and groups of items bring the highest sales by sales amount in the table to the left and by quantity in the table to the right. To correctly analyze data in this table, you need to set a year filter. Sales by Customer page allows you an overview of sales tied to customers. By selecting one, a progress chart of their sales will be plotted in the bottom section. The table to the left side shows sales by cities and customers, and the table to the right shows an overview of the realized gross profit, given discounts, sales, and quantities sold per customer and per item. On the Sales by Vendor page, you can analyze sales, costs, and profit by vendors and sold items in a period. The period can be defined as a year, quarter, or month. In the second table, you can see net sales, costs, gross profit, and calculated gross margin, as well as sold quantity and share in sold goods per vendor. The pie chart in the bottom right corner will inform you of your top vendors per realized gross profit. The Purchase overview is used to analyze purchased amount and quantity per supplier by period. The Sales by Salespersons page gives you an overview of your employees, their performances, and other related information. You can analyze sales by store, having information on all the important metrics, as well as sales by a time period, where you can also monitor trends and oscillations over time. On the Profit overview page, you can monitor net sales, cost of sold goods, and gross profit margin by customers, stores, item categories, and items. The charts below show correlation between sales and profit in the selected period, as well as gross profit per top 10 customers and items. The purpose of the dashboard is to provide all the key information in one place. In the top section, you can see information on key performance indicators and cards detailing single values, such as, for example, gross profit. In the bottom section, you can see charts on different sales metrics. With NP Power BI Report for Retail, NaviPartner strives to provide users with all the key information while offering a premium user experience that suits your business needs. To find out more, visit our website at the following link. Thank you for watching.